Hi, today we'll be looking at P5 2024 Math WA2 from ACS Junior, question 13. Let's look at the first sentence. In the figure, ACGH is a square, and ACGH, I can see that it is right here. And DEFG is a rectangle, which is right here, DEFG. Now moving on to the next sentence, I can see that CD, which is what I have over here, is equal to EF, which is over here. BC is 5 meters and DJ is 3 meters. Now the first thing I want to do is to measure all the lengths I have in this figure. Alright, if the side of my square is 12 meters and I know that this is 5 over here, BC is 5, I know that AB has to be 7 meters. And looking at this, if CD equals to EF and DEFG is a rectangle, I know that EF is also equals to DG, which is this length over here. Right? And if these two are the same, dividing 12 meters by 2, I know that CD is 6 meters and DG is 6 meters as well. Now, if the total length, which is HF, is 26 meters and AC is 12 meters, which is the length of the square, I know the length of my rectangle has to be 14 meters. And if DJ is 3 meters, JG has to be 3 meters as well. And there you have it. I have all the lengths of my figure. Alright, the next thing I want to do is, of course, to read the last sentence, which is to find the area of the shaded part. Now, I'm going to split this figure into two shapes, of course, the square and then the rectangle. I'm going to call this shaded area over here A and this one over here B. Alright, and I'm going to name the unshaded areas C, D, and E respectively. Alright, I know the area of the square consists of A, C, and D. So what I'm going to do is to find the area of the square. And I know the formula of area of square is just length times length, which is 12 meters multiplied by 12 meters. This will give me 144 meters square. Now, what I want to do is to find the area of C, which is a triangle. Alright, and I know the area of triangle is half times base times height. Right, applying this formula, what I get to find the area of C is half times 7 times 12 meters. And this will give me 42 meters square. Now, what I want to do is to find the area of D, which is another triangle. Area of D equals to, same formula, half times base times height. Looking at triangle D, I can see that the base is 12 meters and the height is 3 meters. So, substituting the values in, I have half times 12 times 3. And this would give me 18 meters square. Now, to find the area of A, what I want to do is to take the area of square minus area of C minus area of D. What does this give me? I have 144 meters square minus 42 meters square minus 18 meters square. This will give me 84 meters square. And this is the area of shaded part A. Now, moving on to shaded part B, I want to first find the area of the rectangle. The formula to find the area of a rectangle is just length times breadth, right? Which is simply 14 meters multiplied by 6 meters, and that would give me 84 meters square. Now, to find shaded part B, I need to first find the area of my triangle E. So, area of E equals to half times base times height. Looking at triangle E, I can see that my base is 3 meters. So half times 3 and the height of 14 meters. This would give me 21 meters square. So knowing these two figures, I can find the area of B, which is simply just the area of rectangle, minus E, which is 84 meters square minus 21 meters square. And this would simply give me 63 meters square. Now, just a reminder, the question is asking us to find the area of the shaded part, and that consists of both part A and part B. So the total shaded part would just be A plus B. And the area of A is 84 meters square plus B, which is 63 meters square. And this would give me a total area of 147 meters square. And this is your answer for question 13.
Hi everyone, if you like this video, you can click right here for a similar video, or you can view our playlist here.